So this short video is really about me sharing with you my method of keeping my vinyl clean. So I've got a vinyl collection going back 40 years, and it's a job to keep your records playable. And so I've got my method, which I've developed by watching YouTube videos and finding material. So I'm in South Africa, in Durban, so this is what I use. So there's distilled water, so you can get this pretty much any chemist. I've got this from Dischem. You need to get some rubbing alcohol. This is a 90%. The higher the percentage, the better. Also from Dischem. And you need to get some dishwasher rinse aid. This is from Woolies, but you can get it, I think, at any supermarket. So what you want to do is mix up in one spritzer bottle a mixture of 3/4 distilled water and 1/4 alcohol, and then a teaspoon of rinse aid. So that's 3/4 distilled water, 1/4 alcohol, and 1 teaspoon rinse aid. So that's the cleaner. Then you need to just fill up another spritzer with distilled water. Then other materials that you need is a clean brush, new. You can get a silicone brush. I've just got a pack of brushes, and this is one of the brushes that I use. Keep it clean, don't use it for anything else. And then this is a lint brush, cheap as chips. I got this from the Crazy Shop. The reason why it's good to use is because it's got very, very fine little fiber bristles in it, which will get into all the grooves of the record. Then I've got this, which is just the lid of wafer sticks, just a biscuit tin lid basically. And the reason why I got it is because it fits very comfortably over the label of a record to protect it from getting wet. And then just a whole bunch of microfiber cloths. Okay, also don't use them for anything else. Keep them clean and only use them for record cleaning. Okay, so this is the method. I'm holding my phone with one hand, so this is a bit of a one-hand operation at the moment. You're going to take the lid and cover your label. Then take your cleaner and spritz around. Take your brush, and you're going to brush the cleaner into the grooves. You don't have to get too aggressive with it unless your record is really dirty. Okay, once you've done that, you can remove the top and take your lint cleaner and just follow around gently. Okay, then take another microfiber, wipe off the excess. Okay, normally I'd be using 2 hands, so this is a bit awkward. Okay, once you've wiped off the excess, put your cover back on. Use your distilled water only. This is kind of just getting it back to nice and clean. And then another microfiber cloth to just remove the excess water. Okay. And that's it. So you would do that on both sides, and then it's ready to play, and I find that it actually keeps my records in really good condition. So this is a record that I cleaned. I bought this record in, I would guess, the early 80s, probably about 84, and still sounding pretty good.